8.4 word problems. In that question number 1, a road 225.632 km long was extended at one end by 14.132 km. How long is it now? Means first the length of the road is 225.632 km. It is extended. Extended means increased by how much? 14.132 km from one side. One side its length is increased. So what is the total length of the road now? That means what we have to do? We have to do addition, because this much length is extended, added. That means we have to do addition. So here 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now put decimal point. 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 1 3 and 2. And we will have to write the final answer in sentence. How long is it now? It is 239.764 km long. Or you can write now it is now it is 239.764 km long. Okay. Next, question number 2. A canal 296.638 km long was to be built. This much length of the canal was to be built. Out of this, 155.974 km has already been built. Means this much part has finished. They have built, constructed. What length of the canal is yet to be built? Now what is the remaining length of the canal is yet to be built? That means we will have to do subtraction. See, the total length is this much of the canal. Okay. Out of that, how much part is constructed? 155.974 km has been constructed. Now what is the length remain? That means we have to do subtraction. So 8 minus 4, 4. Cannot subtract 7 from 3. So borrow 1 from 6. Here 5 unit. 13 minus 7, 6. Okay. Now borrow 1 from here. Here 5 unit. 15 minus 9, 6. Put decimal. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. That means how much part has to is remained? 140.664 km is yet to be built. So how to write the answer? 140.664 km length of the canal is yet to be built. Okay. Now question number 3. My school is 12.531 km from my house, home. What distance will I travel if I go and come back 8 times? Now go 8 times and to come back 8 times. Total how many times it becomes? 16. Are you getting it? That means you will have to multiply 12.531 km by 16. Correct? 8 times means how many rounds? To go 8 times and to come 8 times. That is 8 plus 8, 16. So multiply by 16. 16 ones are 16. Carry 1. 16 threes are 48 plus 1 49. Carry 4. 16 fives are 80 plus 4 84. 4 carry 8. Now put decimal. Okay. 16 2s are 32 plus 8 40 0 carry 4. 16 1 is 16 plus 4 20. That means how many kilometer? 200.496 kilometer. Students, see here. It is written I go. Only if it is like that, I go 8 times. So you can multiply it by 8. But here I go and come back 8 times. That means 8 plus 8, 16 times we have to multiply. Followed? So what distance will I travel? Answer how to write. I will travel 200.496 kilometer if I go and come back 8 times. Okay. Now next, total distance traveled by jeep in 19 trips is 1812.98 kilometer. What distance does the jeep cover in each trip? Means 19 times this much distance covered. So in one trip, how much distance covered? That means we have to do division. So from many, when we have to find out the value of 1, then we have to do division. Follow? And from 1, when we have to find out the value of many, we have to do multiplication. So here divide 1812.98 by 19. Now can we divide these 2 digits? So can we divide this 2-digit number 18 by 19? No, because 18 is smaller. Correct? So take 3 digits, 181. Now in 19's table, which number is close to 181? That is 19 9s are 171. Okay? This is the closest and smallest than 181. So 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Take 2 down. Okay? Now 19 5s are 95. 102 minus 95 is 7. Okay? Now take 9 down. And as 9 is after decimal, immediately put decimal here. Then 19 4s are 76. So 9 minus 6, 3. And 7 minus 7, 0. And take this 8 down. 19 2s are 38. Okay. So what distance does the jeep cover in each trip? Answer. The distance covered by a jeep in each trip is 95.42 kilometer. Okay. In 1 kilometer, in one trip, this many kilometer distance will be covered by a jeep. Question number 5. The road from Nanak to Sipla is 126.25 kilometer long. What distance will be covered by a bus if it makes 30 round trips from Nanak to Sipla? Now again see, like this we have solved 13 times Nanak to Sipla, back Sipla to Nanak. Like this 13 means 13 plus 13, how many round it became? 26. That means we have to multiply 126.25 kilometer by 26. Okay? Followed? Now multiply. See, you can multiply directly by 26 also or 1 by 1 also. So I will show by each digit how many. Now see here 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. carry 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37, carry 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, carry 1. 6 plus 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay. After that, these carried numbers we have to cut because we are going to multiply by 2. So here unit place compulsory 0 you will have to write. Now 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 6s are 12, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 1s are 2. Now add 7 plus 5 12, carry 1. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 5 12, carry 1 and 2 plus 1 3. Now where to put decimal? See, after decimal how many digits are there? 2. That means from the right side count 2 digits and put decimal. So how many kilometers? 3282.50 kilometers. So what distance will be covered by a bus? Answer. What distance will be covered by a bus if it make 13 round trips from Nanak to Sipla? The distance covered by a bus if it make 13 rounds, 13 round trips from Nanak to Sipla is how much? 3282.50 kilometers.